Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to talk about Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus microprocessor, which is declared by MDS Mobile World Congress in 2021 recently. So we will talk about all the features of this processor, and we will also see whether it's a worthy upgrade or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G, which is already in the market available everywhere, is a good option right now. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well, and in this video we will talk about the details of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor and why it is so important that Qualcomm had to release so early, because they have already released 888 recently. Now microprocessing has been in the making for quite a long time now, and many mobile devices are able to utilize a lot of hardware development that are occurred recently. So you have been seeing that many smartphones and flagship smartphones are actually doing pretty well, and this is the reason why they are actually gaining momentum. And since Apple have their own iOS 14 or A14 Bionic chip, and A15 is also right about to be launched, so we will have to see what Snapdragon is doing so that their product is competing with Apple. Now in Android smartphone market, at least in the premium smartphone segment, Qualcomm Snapdragon is one of the best microprocessor that you can get, and it is a system on a chip. So basically not only the processor, but it supports many things in a phone, and we will discuss what are its features later on. But let me talk about one feature that is more important, that is 5G support. So nowadays 5G technology is right around the corner. It can be in the India launching really soon, and it may launch in the end of the year at least, and it's in the trial phase right now. And this is something which smartphone must have to subscribe and just have to take advantage of this situation. Now if you see that I have official announcement of Snapdragon Qualcomm website. So here they are saying that 888 plus 5G mobile platform has been announced, and it will have some of the features which I want to talk right now. So first of all, it will give you flagship experience with intelligent entertainment that will include artificial intelligence enhanced gameplay, streaming, photography, and more, backed by boosted performance, unrivaled speed, and premium connectivity. So it will be a 6th generation Qualcomm artificial intelligence engine, and it will have Qualcomm Cairo 680 CPU, which will deliver the premium entertainment experience. And it also have working diligently and seamlessly to improve every on device passion and pastime. Basically what it means that video upscaling will be boosted, real time translation of in-game chat enables seamless collaboration, and it can also auto enhance the photography including semantic segmentation in video capture, and it will isolate and optimize individual aspects of footage. Basically everything that you are doing with your photography and your camera, it will be improved, and the optimization is the most important thing, because Snapdragon 888 was announced last year, and despite so much features and so much speed, users actually were facing some of the issues like device was heating up, optimization was not up to the level, and many performance bugs were there. So in this variant of Snapdragon 888 Plus, they have worked in tandem with AI for superior entertainment in industry leading connectivity. So it will have 3rd generation Qualcomm Snapdragon X60 5G modem RF system, and the Qualcomm Fast Connect 6900 mobile connectivity system. So it will truly support 5G with global bands and high capacity Wi-Fi 6E. So not only Wi-Fi 6 but also a higher capacity E variant. So it will give you unlimited speed of internet streaming, and there are some of the features which I will show you one by one. So it has Cairo 680 CPU, and the clock speed is just around 63 gigahertz. So it will give you seamless robust performance. So the clock speed of the first core has been improved to 3 gigahertz, and the smartest way to connect with friends, family, and colleagues. So with more than 20% AI performance upgrade, it will have run multiple neural networks, and from AI super resolution to AI based noise cancellation, artificial intelligence will play a very important role in delivering the optimal performance of the microprocessor. So whether you are suppressing unwanted sounds, or you want to enhance your camera features such as single camera, bokeh effects, all help you stay true connected with the one that matters. So this is the most important thing, the connectivity and it has AI performance upgrade around 20%. So the last variant of 888 Snapdragon, its performance has improved up to 20%. This is really huge achievement. Now let's talk about 5G. So it is all about 5G right now, and the most important thing is the modem. So what modem it uses? It is the third generation Snapdragon X60 5G modem RF system. So definitely it will give you 5G speed. This is not a case because many MediaTek processors also are supporting 5G network these days. But the thing is the speed. So download speed will be, and it may shock you, it is around 7.5 Gbps. Yes, that's right. And fast connect 6900 mobile connectivity system. It will offer multi-gigabit Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E speeds plus advanced multi-user traffic management features for reliable entertainment even in crowded areas. For those who don't know about the Wi-Fi 5, so there are two bands available. One is 2.5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz, and another one is 5 gigahertz. So that is around Wi-Fi 2.4G, which is used up to now, and Wi-Fi 5, which is 5 gigahertz, has been provided by many internet service providers these days, those that offers more than 100 Mbps speed. But Wi-Fi 6 is the latest revolution in the technology, and Wi-Fi 6E is upgraded version of Wi-Fi 6. So this offers much higher bandwidth with lot of devices connectivity. So this is something which you have to keep in mind. Now let's talk about other features. So 8K encode and decode capabilities. So this now Snapdragon 888 Plus will now support 8K encoding and decoding. So you can allow ultra detailed video capture and viewing. So it will support 8K video. Not only you can play 8K videos, but you can also record 8K videos. And it has Qualcomm Spectra 580 ISP that will offer simultaneous triple capture of 4K HDR videos or 25 MP photos with parallel processing up to 2.7 gigapixels per second. So image processing will be really fast if you use this device. And there is one more feature which is intelligence for the win. So basically it has Elite Gaming, which offers game quick touch, reducing touch latency up to 20%. So your touch will be registered more quickly, and updated drivers for the latest graphics and performance updates in the real time. So now you will be able to experience many things in it. So there are a lot of features that I have mentioned. Now let's talk about some of the specifications. So basically what are the specifications? So CPU clock speed will be up to 3 gigahertz, and CPU cores will be Qualcomm Kryo 680 CPU, and CPU architecture will be 64-bit architecture. Now let's talk about other features. So it supports artificial intelligence engine, that is Qualcomm Adreno 660 GPU, AIE CPU, that is Qualcomm Kryo 680 CPU. So they have separate artificial intelligence engines. One is for GPU purpose, that is Adreno 660, that will take care about graphics, and one is the AIE CPU, Qualcomm Kryo 680 CPU. Now it has Hexagon processor, so 780 processor, second generation, and it has many features like Qualcomm Sensing Hub, large shared AI memory, Qualcomm Hexagon vector extensions, Qualcomm Hexagon scalar accelerometer, Qualcomm Hexagon voice assistant accelerator, and Qualcomm Hexagon tensors and accelerator. So these are many features that will be included in the intelligence AI engine. So it is all about artificial intelligence. And then we have modem. So modem is basically X60 5G modem, which peak download speed will be 7.5 Gbps, and multi-SIM, like that will support global 5G multi-SIM, and peak upload speed is around 3 Gbps, and it also supports performance enhancement technologies. So it will have 5G spectrum, dynamic spectrum sharing, and up to 6 gigahertz. And so there are a lot of spectrums that will be shared. Wi-Fi 6 will be available. So these are some of the features that will be supported by this. Bluetooth will be supported up to Bluetooth 5.2. NFC, it also supported. Location, so these are all the location that will be supported. GNSS, Navig enabled. Navig is our Indian global satellite positioning system. And USB, it will support 3.1 and USB-C. Now let's talk about camera. This is most important feature because there they have made the excellent development. So it will support triple camera, which up to 28 megapixel, 30 frame per second, dual camera, single camera, and single camera up to 200 megapixel. Now the thing about HDR, so it will support 10-bit HDR photo capture and multi-frame noise reduction, and slow motion it will support 960 frame per second, around 720p, and it will support Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 plus, and high efficiency video codec. So this is something, it has many supported by Dolby Vision and any devices and many compression technologies. Now let's talk about video. So it will support Dolby Vision for playback, HDR10 plus, HDR10 HLG, that is hybrid log gamma, H.264 AVC, H.265 HEVC, and video software will be racked to 2020 color gamut video capture. So there are a lot of support for video and display, and it will support around 4K at 60 Hz and Quad HD around 144 Hz, and maximum external display that you can get is around 4K at 60 Hz. So this is really nice, and it will support many audio features. So these are the audio support, and it will support GPU. So it has 660 Adreno GPU, and the process that it uses is 5 nanometer. So the architecture is 5 nanometer architecture, and these are some of the comparison between previous devices. So here we have 888 5G, this is we have 888 plus. So let's talk about the details about it. So basically the speed is the same nonetheless, but here there are difference between the 5G spectrum. So here megahertz, mega hash, bandwidth 8 carriers, they also have 2 carriers. So almost there is same, but here there are some difference that the support is there. So there are a lot of support, and cellular technology is different. But in my honest opinion, this is just an announcement. We have to wait for the official announcement, and many products have been tied up with the Snapdragon. So many brands are already collaborating with, which we have Honor, Huawei, Xiaomi, Vivo, and Realme. So these brands are already developing their flagship devices, and which will be around available around third quarter of this year. So around September to October or August September, you will be hearing from Snapdragon 888 plus enabled device. So let's wait and watch what happens. Now let's talk about the main point. So main point my here is whether it is worthy upgrade or not. So in my honest opinion, I don't see much development, because 5G is right now not available in India, as we talk about India and other markets. Also people are not used to use that much amount. So we will see. So thanks for staying on my video. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.